Dear friend, are you tired of seeing oddly shaped objects in your vision? Especially when looking at bright lights such as a blue sky. I sure know how stressful and annoying the constant seeing of spots is. In fact, I almost lost an eye in an attempt to get rid of them. But what are exactly eye floaters? Eye floaters, also known as eye flashes, are deposits of various sizes and shapes that float within the eye. They are caused by degenerative changes of the vitreous humor, the clear gel that fills the eyeball. Eye infections, inflammation, wounds and damage to the eye can lead to eye floaters. A sudden increase in floaters can be one of the first signs of retinal detachment or other severe eye conditions. As one gets older, the number of eye floaters tends to increase. Even very young people can develop eye floaters. I almost went blind because of eye floaters. Let me tell you. If you want to remove your eye floaters and keep your vision in good state, you should avoid even considering the typical vitrectomy, removal of the vitreous humor and its replacement with a synthetic solution, and laser vitreolysis, burning of each floater individually with a laser, treatments at all costs. This is because not only are these procedures ridiculously expensive, they are also prone to a high rate of complications. In fact, cataracts, retinal detachment, permanent blind spots and severe eye infections are unfortunately relatively common complications of these interventions. Now, you may be wondering why your optician or healthcare professional has never told you about the dangers of the conventional eye floaters treatments. In fact, I'm sure the only treatments ever mentioned by your healthcare professional are ones that involve high costs. Well, I was so desperate that I went to treat my condition with laser surgery. Only to end up with a severe eye infection that almost made me go blind. If this wasn't bad enough, while my eye floaters were gone after the surgery, they soon started to reappear and multiply. After this horrific and disappointing experience, there was no way I was going to let anybody put a laser to my eye ever again. Seeking an alternative remedy. With this fear of having my eyes lasered upon again, together with the ever-present annoying eye floaters, I decided to put all my energy in the search of an alternative eye floaters solution. I wanted something that was effective at getting rid of eye floaters, that would improve my eye health and most of all, something free of side effects. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content. But this was easier said than done. I started by using over-the-counter products to keep my eyes lubricated along with other suggestions given by opticians and doctors. I tried recommendations given by naturopaths. I tried numerous products that supposedly enhanced eye health. However, none of these worked. Years passed, and I had since tested dozens of other methods without any satisfactory results. A natural, non-surgical alternative to eye floaters. Then, I finally stumbled upon a natural way to cure, or drastically reduce, eye floaters, without the need of any expensive and harmful surgical procedures or products. My discovery came after I started researching medical journals on the anatomy of the eye and why eye floaters occur. With that knowledge in hand, I was able to create a step-by-step system on how to cure eye floaters. I called my system, Eye Floaters No More. And now, I'm making this information available to everyone. In Eye Floaters No More, you'll discover how to finally get rid of your stressful eye floaters, blocks of vision, the flashing lights, using a safe, natural and easy system. Eliminate your annoying eye floaters from the comfort of your home. How to prevent more eye floaters from forming. How to find out if your eye floaters are a sign of other eye conditions. Easy, natural ways to drastically improve your vision. And much, much more. Your life without the constant annoyance of eye floaters. I want you to take a few moments to imagine how your life would be like without the constant annoyance of eye floaters. Imagine taking a walk by the beach without having those tedious floaters spoiling your vision, or watching TV comfortably at home without the irritation of seeing spots and flashes. Imagine not having the constant worry that your eye floaters will get worse and worse. Imagine the peace of mind of knowing that you do not have retinal detachment or other severe eye conditions. Would you like to stop dreaming this and instead make it a reality? Without any surgical procedures. Without any risks or side effects. Effortlessly and from the comfort of your own home. Getting rid of eye floaters without the high costs and dangers of laser treatments. Now, you're probably wondering, how much does eye floaters no more cost? Keeping in mind that the conventional treatments cost thousands of dollars, I can understand your concern. But, just for the sake of asking, how much would you pay to get rid of your annoying eye floaters once and for all, using a safe, natural and simple method from the comfort of your home? Well, if I was to answer that question when I suffered from eye floaters, I would say thousands of dollars. Well, guess what? Eye floaters no more is pocket change compared to the costs of conventional treatments. I know what it feels like to live a life with eye floaters. The constant annoyance, the blocks of vision, the flashing lights. Well, I don't have those eye worries anymore, and I want the same for you. That's why I am giving eye floaters no more, almost for free. But wait, it gets even better. Order now and get the below books, absolutely free. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content.